So what is a Scrum Master good for? But let's start with what is a Scrum Master. I mean, a software developer is developing software. A Scrum Master is... have you ever tried to explain it to your parents? But let me invite you to a bit of history. We used to have waterfall. It was nice, yeah. But it didn't really work out. And nobody could really say why. Customers were unhappy. And those guys put together the manifesto for Agile software development. And it seemed to point out exactly the issues that we had. So Agile became the new hype. The companies were happy. They all wanted to have it. But what they were putting down was the what and the what not, and not the how. So how should we do that? Agile transformation started. Scrum was the most common framework, hence the name Scrum Master. But even though the goal would be agility. And anyone could become agile, so it's just 2 days of training and you're there. And for most of the companies, just assigning a product owner and the Scrum Master to their teams, it was like box ticked, we are agile, we're good now. But what exactly is the Scrum Master doing? So they are working on different levels in an organization, usually coaching 1 or 2 teams, but their main focus is efficiency. On the organizational level, they are trying to set up an agile working environment. They are working on transparency, and they are also trying to connect the team with other teams, with experts, but also at the same time shielding the teams from disruptions. On team level, they are improving the processes, removing the impediments, and helping the team to focus and build discipline, become more predictable and grow, and find out what exactly they can deliver. They are also coaching the product owner with planning and the backlog management, and these two can be a good couple, bad couple. One is pushing for more work, and the other one is pushing back to find out what exactly the team can deliver. And oh yeah, you all know this, I guess. So putting the calendars full with meetings, that's also there. But what now? Some say Agile is dead, but I think it's like Agile is kind of the new norm. So delivering incrementally, constantly asking for feedback, being flexible with the requirements, it all seems to happen automatically. So if everybody knows what to do, then why are the Scrum Masters there? So when the market hits, Scrum Masters, Agile coaches are the ones to let go. But what can someone do with such an experience? One of the things that there is good news, there are still Scrum Master positions open, usually at companies who are working with SAFe, and I also saw Agile transformation initiatives at the public sector. But if we take a step back, with these skills, one can look for project manager roles. It's more about tracking and reporting. There is less coaching in it. And if we go even a level higher, then there is the possibility to become a delivery lead or a delivery manager. It comes with much more accountability, responsibility, and also not that much possibility for coaching, but still using the same skill set. Many companies do merge the Scrum Master tasks into the product owner or business analyst tasks. But being a product owner is already a full-day job. So it's, again, not really coaching. And for all those who like working with people and coaching, being a team coach or a chapter lead can be a very good match, but that's also pretty rare. But there are 2 things I would like to highlight. One is that having Scrum Master experience means somebody knows the whole flow and usually has experience in different roles, most probably also practically, and it brings a lot of experience. And on the other hand, these tasks, like finding the right processes, coaching the teams, and helping the organization, these will stay us, whether they will merge it or rename or still keep. If a company wants to do a good job, they have to keep these tasks with them. So thank you very much. I'm happy to hear about your experiences and